So this shoe dropped April 16th. I wasn't able to get this pair on the website. I was asleep. Shout out to Shaq that sent me a text message of him confirming his pair. So what I did was I went a different route of getting these. So I had to pay resale value for these, unfortunately. So I went the eBay route. So in the meantime, I copied these through eBay. Shout out to eBay with the authentication process. This time it was completely seamless. Everything was sent in a very, very fast time. I know there have been stories out there, people have been having trouble of getting their pairs on time. And when I actually got my Tarpe Haze Force, it took like almost a whole month for me to get the shoe after the release. Shout out to eBay for stepping up your game with the shipping. The 550s are equipped with green, gray, and yellow outsole. They also have the cracked New Balance logo on both shoes. Just like the 550s they've released last year, this also has the vintage midsole and cream upper. The Aime 990s and the 550s are probably the best New Balances out right now. So bro, please go grab you a pair. Once again, I would like to thank you guys for checking out this video. Shout out to New Balance, as you can tell by the shirt. If you guys didn't catch on to the shirt, I'm gonna put a clip right here, who it is. Once again, I would like to thank you guys for checking out this video. You guys already know, Loner's up.